testify. The best is I, rebel lioness, your highness. Blessed to electrify, provoke you to for ill. Truth that I reveal across the amateurs who scream, they keep it real.
You got a question? You got a question? Esau, you got a question? Am I Christian?
Yes.
I'm a true Christian, yes. What does Christian mean? What does Christian mean?
Tell me.
I'm asking, if you ask me a question, I'm asking you, what does Christian mean?
I just want to know, you're not Muslims, you're Christians.
I'm a true Christian.
Okay, no, you tell me.
I'm not in the religion of Christianity, because the religion of Christianity is false. Now, do I follow Christ? Yes, because I do what Christ told me to do.
That's right.
And what did Christ tell me to do? Christ told me, John 14:15. Give me John 14:15. This is what Christ told me to do. Read.
Awesome.
Come on, guys, I need it. Read. John chapter 14, verse 15. And if ye love me, keep my commandments. If you love me, keep my commandments. We keep the commandments of God. We keep what Jesus said keep. Also, we understand that Christ wasn't a so-called white man. Do you know that? Do you know who Christ was? Was Christ a white man?
Doesn't matter what color.
It doesn't?
Okay.
Well, why does it tell him his color? Why does it tell us what color he was in the Bible? Do you know that? Let's see what it is. Revelations. Y'all got it read. Revelations, chapter 1, verse 14. His head and his hairs were white like wool. So this is the image of Christ. It says his hair and his hair was white like wool. Look, you know the texture of wool? You know the texture of wool. Okay, his hair was what? It was nappy. Read, what's this? As white as snow, and his eyes were a flame of fire, and his feet like unto fine brass. Now it says his feet was like unto fine brass. Now my question to you is, what color is brass? Oh, you don't know?
It's like yellow.
It's yellow? Brass is the color of a, brass is like the color of a penny. Right? Because that's brown. But now, let's get even more detail. Oh, yeah, got it. Yeah, read. As if they burned in a furnace. So not only was his feet like brass, which was brown, it was like as if it was burnt in a furnace. When you burn anything, what color is it?
I'm going to ask you a question.
Wait, let me hear you say this.
White.
Wait, hold on, time out. Let me hear you say this. What color was Christ? According to the Bible. Let me just read. You just said
I'm confused. I don't know.
Let's read it again. He's confused. And give me Daniel 9. Read. And his feet like unto fine brass, as if they burned in a furnace. What color is your feet? What color is your feet? It's a little pale, right? It's the same color as your body, right? Exactly. Now let's read this. What's this? Daniel 9. You got it? 9 and 7? Yeah. Daniel 9 and 7. Oh Lord, righteousness belongs up to thee, and unto us confusion of faces. As this, no, that's not the one I want. That's not the one I want. I want that Daniel 9.
Daniel 10 and 5.
Is it 10? Yeah, it's 10. Read that. Hey, and then I'm gonna take your question after I show you the color of Christ, and you're gonna admit it. And then I'm gonna get that precept. Let's get this real quick. Hold. Daniel 10 and 10, and behold, and hand touched me. That ain't it.
5 and 6. Daniel 10, 5 and 6.
5 and 6. Let me see. Nah, it's 9 and. I need that.
Hey, color of Christ is Daniel.
Yep.
Daniel 10 what?
Yep, right here. Daniel 7 and 9. I beheld till the thrones were cast down, and the Ancient of Days did sit, whose garment was white as snow. His hair and his head was like pure wool. So we're getting another description of Christ. It says his hair and his hair was like pure wool. Pure wool, watch this, is pearly, right? This is the image of the deity of the Bible, right? His stone was like the fury flame, and his wheels as burning fire. 10:6. Yeah, that's the one I want.
His body was like the beryl, and his face as the appearance of lightning, and his eyes as lamps of fire, and his arms and his feet like in color to polished brass.
Thank you, my brothers. I just wanted to get you another description, which we got it, all praises to the Most High, of the color of Christ. So, what is the color of Christ? Is he a white man according to the Bible?
tell you what I think.
No. Listen, I want to hear what you got to say. But before you say that, I want you to answer the question. According to the Bible, what is the color of Christ?
I'm thinking it's dark skin.
Okay, he said, we'll get that, because that's all we're going to get from Esau. He said, we're thinking he's dark skinned. You're thinking.
Saying to you.
What are you saying?
I'm saying I don't think it matters.
I got a precept.
Go ahead.
I think.
Here's why it matters.
I think. No. Here's what I think.
What do you got?
Here's why it matters.
Here's what I think.
John 4.
This is why it does matter, Rick.
John 4 and 24. The Most High is the Spirit, and they that worship Him must worship Him in spirit and in truth.
Now that's a good precept. You know why?
You must worship Him in spirit and in truth.
Now, you're not worshiping God in spirit and truth if you're painting Him to be a white man.
That's not the truth.
That's not the truth. This is a lie. Look, wait, listen. No, you listen. This is a lie. This is Caesar Borgia. This image was put up by the so-called Catholic Church. This was not, if you know pre-Renaissance, right? The images of Christ was all black.
That's right.
You understand? So now, when you lie, you say Christ is a white man, you lie to the world. Because everybody thinks that he's a white man and he's not.
And you're comfortable with that.
You say what?
I don't care what color.
You don't.
But
The Bible cares.
And I'll tell you what.
The Bible cares.
White, black, whatever. Jesus Christ is Lord. That's what it
Look,
says.
let me show you this.
That's
Who
it.
did Jesus come to die for?
Everybody.
Let's get Matthew 5. No. Give me Acts 5. Acts 5 and 29. Let's see who Christ came to die for. No, give me Acts 5. I need that. You got Matthew 15. Let's get these precepts.
Listen.
Who did Christ come to die for? This is the biggest lie that we're exposing that has been taught on the face of the planet by America and the so-called white man. The biggest lie on the face of the planet is that Christ is a white man and that he came to save everybody. That is a lie. He only came for a certain people. And I'm going to show you. Read. Acts chapter 5. This is the Bible we read. Read. Verse 31. He only came for the so-called Negro and Latino. We'll prove it to you. Read.
Him that God exalted with His right hand to be a Prince and Savior, for to give repentance to Israel.
To everybody?
To Israel.
To the white man.
To Israel.
To everybody in the galaxy.
To Israel.
To Israel. This is the Bible.
Am I out because of my white skin?
No, you're out because you know what your heart is. You're a fornicator according to the Bible. Do you know your biblical name according to the Bible? Do you know your biblical name according to the Bible? Do you know?
Yeah,
Your biblical name is Esau according to the Bible.
That's right.
That's your biblical name. Look, we're not dealing with religion. The Bible is a book of genealogy. That's why it has genealogy. That's why when you read Genesis chapter 10, it shows you the genealogy of all the nations. Your genealogy comes from Esau. Esau is a fornicator and a profane person, according to the Bible. Go ahead, look, the pride of this man. Look, you understand what I'm saying? This is what she's trying to save him, and he can't get it going. Because the pride of this man won't let him leave. The white man is not used to Negroes telling him he's nothing. They're used to Negroes kissing his boot and telling him he's the best man on the planet and saying, I love the white man. The white man is not used to the black man and the Latino man telling him to his face he's nothing but a devil. And we tell him he's a devil because of his deeds. Read that. What you got?
This is what Christ said out of His own mouth. Matthew 15 and 24. But He answered and said, I am not sent, but unto the lost sheep of the house of Israel.
He is not sent but to the house of Israel, Esau. You understand? And take that with you. The wicked flee when no man pursues.
That's right.
You understand? And that's what we all gotta tell our people. Look, we don't have to tell the truth no matter how you feel. We're not crazy Uncle Toms. You understand? That's long gone. We're not our grandparents. Alright? We're not our ancestors. We don't care about all that love talk. And the white man doesn't do that love talk. The white man says this. Let's give me your mind pocket. Where's my pocket? Get my pocket out of my scriptures. I'm gonna show you. Now get this. I want this. Come on. Look, let's get this. Give me this right here. Hold on. Give me second Ezra's. Actually Ecclesiasticus 12 and 10. Give me Ecclesiasticus 12 and 10. This is what we out here tell you. We don't trust our enemy. Look, the white man, how long has he been promising us us and promising us to be equal with him. And he shows you in his politics, he shows you in his prison system, he shows you that you will never be equal with him. And when we stand up for our rights and what we believe in, we're wrong.
Testify, the best desire, rebel lioness, your highness. Blessed to electrify, revolt each other ill. Truth that I reveal.